dry upstairs.
Yeah, it's not pretend you're taking pictures. At least of me.
Hello.
Oh, nice video.
So the rain came in right up there, broke the glass window, poured in for 2 hours until we finally noticed I was coming in. Went here, all around the pool table, well, kept this here, and went all the way over there by the stairs. So there's all our stuff piled up to the ceiling. There's grass and mud, and that shows you how high it is. Yeah, it's a little muddy in here. Whole workshop was flooded, all that mud. And then here's the drain that it all went into. We were cheering right when all the water went down. Just a little mud here. Oh, there's our sump pump. Yeah, so it literally flooded our whole basement 2 to 3 inches. And we moved out as much stuff as we could. This is still really wet here. You can see the reflection of the recording light there. Okay, so yeah. Didn't have time to take a video earlier because we were going crazy and yelling and trying to clean all this up. That drain, all the water is low in here. And then also, about halfway through all this, we hooked together a sump pump and stuck it in here, run the wire through the office, and we have a switch in there. Can't see it that good, but yeah, it's right there. Then it runs out all the way to the fence line. So yeah, we are pretty much screwed.